Hi, it's time to do some dictation practice. I want you to look for page 9. Page 9, this page. 9. In your packet, I want you to listen and fill in the missing word. Don't copy, just listen and write. Okay? Number 1, Sam has a friend. Number 2, his friend is Gus. Number 3, Gus is a good friend. Number 4, Gus has a taxi. Number 5, Sam can go to work with Gus. Number 6, Sam can go with Gus in the taxi. Number 7, Gus can get Sam at 8:15. Number 8, Sam is very happy. Number 9, Sam says, "Thank you, Gus." Number 10, thank you. You are a very good friend. Okay. Play it again if you need to, but don't copy. Just listen and write. Now take a picture and send it to me.